Michael Phelps is the most successful swimmer in the history of the Olympics. He has won 23 gold medals, more than any other athlete. But he did not become great overnight. His journey is a story of hard work, dedication, and never giving up. A boy full of energy, Michael Phelps was born on June 30, 1985, in Baltimore, Maryland, USA. As a child, he was full of energy. He was always moving and could not sit still. His teachers said he had trouble focusing. Later, he was diagnosed with ADHD, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. This made school hard for him. But his mother wanted to help him find a way to use his energy in a good way. So she signed him up for swimming lessons when he was just 7 years old. At first, Michael was afraid to put his face in the water. But soon, he started to enjoy swimming. Discovering his talent, Michael showed talent in swimming at a very young age. When he was 11, he met a coach named Bob Bowman. Coach Bowman saw that Michael had great potential. He believed Michael could be the best swimmer in the world, but only if he worked very hard. Michael agreed to train seriously. He started swimming 6 days a week. Sometimes, he trained twice a day. Even on holidays, he went to practice. While other kids were playing video games or watching TV, Michael was in the pool, training for hours. Training like no one else. Michael's training was not easy. He would swim 80,000 meters a week. That's almost 50 miles. He woke up at 5 a.m. every day to swim before school. After school, he trained again. He lifted weights, followed a strict diet, and got enough sleep to recover. Michael trained 365 days a year. He even trained on Christmas and his birthday. Why? Because he believed that skipping a day would give his competitors a chance to catch up. His coach once said, "If you want to be the best, you have to do things others are not willing to do." Michael lived by that idea. First Olympic Games when Michael was just 15 years old. He went to his first Olympics in Sydney, Australia, in 2000. He was the youngest male swimmer on the US team in 68 years. He did not win a medal, but he came in fifth in the 200-meter butterfly. It was a great experience, and it motivated him to work even harder. Breaking records in 2001, at age 15, Michael broke the world record in the 200-meter butterfly. He was the youngest male swimmer to break a world record. This was just the beginning. Over the next few years, he kept breaking records and winning gold medals. At the 2004 Athens Olympics, Michael won 6 gold medals and 2 bronze medals. He became a star. But he didn't stop there. He wanted more. The 2008 Beijing Olympics. In 2008, at the Beijing Olympics, Michael did something no one had ever done before. He won 8 gold medals in one Olympic Games. It was an unbelievable achievement. Each race was tough, but he never gave up. In one race, he won by just 0.01 seconds. That's faster than a blink. Every stroke, every kick mattered. His hard work had paid off. People around the world were amazed. He had trained so hard for so many years. And now he was the best swimmer in history. Challenges and comeback. Even champions face problems. After the 2008 Olympics, Michael felt tired. He took a break from swimming. He made some mistakes in his personal life and faced criticism. Many people thought his career was over. But Michael decided to come back. He trained again with focus and discipline. In the 2012 London Olympics, he won 4 gold medals and 2 silver medals. Still, he wasn't finished. After 2012, he again faced personal struggles and even went to rehab. It was a hard time in his life. But he never gave up. He worked on his mental health and became stronger. In 2016, he made a final comeback. At the Rio Olympics, he won 5 more gold medals and 1 silver. He ended his career with a total of 23 gold, 3 silver, and 2 bronze Olympic medals. Lessons from Michael Phelps. Michael Phelps is more than a swimmer. He is an example of what hard work, discipline, and determination can do. His story teaches us never give up, even when life gets hard. Work hard every day, even when you don't feel like it. Believe in yourself, even if others don't. Set goals and don't stop until you reach them. Learn from mistakes and come back stronger. Michael also talks openly about mental health now. He says it's okay to ask for help. He wants young people to know that success is not just about medals but also about being healthy and happy. Conclusion. Michael Phelps started as a boy with too much energy and trouble in school. But he found a passion in swimming and worked harder than anyone else. His story shows that success doesn't come easy. It takes years of effort, pain, and patience. But in the end, it's worth it. Michael Phelps is not just a champion in the pool. He is a champion in life.